our way to go kayaking.
We out here
Kayaking.
Run, 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 you'll eventually see straight. Keep on run, new adventures every day. Run, 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 till you make a new mistake. Run,
Guys, it's a
they
brand new
run.
day, and today in Puerto Rico, I'm going on a hike. We're going to like a rainforest hike. I think we're gonna be swimming in some swimming holes or seeing a waterfall, something. I don't know, but it's been a while since I've been on a hike, so I'm really excited, and I will take you guys along with me as much as I can. I don't know how extreme or intense this hike is gonna be, but I'm suited and booted, literally. So I got my backpack packed up, ready to take it with me. So let's go on a hike in Puerto Rico.
Vegetation guys, this is one solid block. The only if you
So leave it. Yeah.
every Sunday, this is the style. And you see.
Who got the best phone?
That's what I was gonna say. That's all I know.
You get a moment where she's gonna explain.
Oh, what the name?
Okay. Oh, you want
Okay.
We need a picture.
This is so beautiful.
My body before I grab it. It's just so cute.
Vlogs.
As it should be. As it should be.
Alright, water's looking great now. I think I'm gonna be sitting back with all of your items, but now what I want you guys to do is let's find a spot so you can get in there.
just finished swimming. I'm so tired. Sweating profusely, but mile hike complete. Si se puede. And we're gonna get back on this one.
And these used to be actual grass fields.
No. $50.
I'll probably do that one. That sounds real good.
Thank you, bartender.
Thank you.
Is this the new one? Okay, what's in it again? Guava, ginger,
Guava, it has whiskey,
whiskey, ginger.
barrilito, ¿qué barrilito? Ron, ¿verdad? Dark rum. Dark rum.
Dark rum, guava, and whiskey.
It has some other things, but we cannot say.
You got these two.
She made this today.
So you got like 3 ounces of water.
Outside of water.
3 ounces? He's trying to kill me.
Yeah, that's not a,
Well, this is
you know what that is, right?
From the video game? Yeah, video game, God of War. Ooh, wait.
You know what it is. Ah, God, I hate this.
This is really good. That's really good. Oh my god. It's strong. It's strong. Yeah. He said 3 On our way to go kayaking.
We out here.
Kayaking. Hola.
How's everybody doing?
Great.
Muy bien. Excited though.
Yeah, you can't see nothing else.
Sorry guys.
here without you, baby. Just go with me in my dreams.
Closing the goddamn door now. Closing the goddamn door.
Who knows? Maybe in many years we'll be like,
No, that's regular.
I know.
I wanna be a rock star. Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. Si se puede. Si se puede.
Run, 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 you'll eventually see straight. Keep on, run, new adventures every day. Run, 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 till you make a new mistake. Run, they run.